Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anyị jidere ndị a, ihe ahụ ndị Ebubeagu. Anyị jidere ha on their way going to the native doctor's house. What is the name of that native doctor? Ezenzu. Okay. They are heading to Ezenzu's place. Okay, at Oduma. So we caught them. That is where they used to go and fortify themselves. Okay. Against us. They are planning against next year. They say that government gave them money to plan against next year to come and attack us. That they must hunt all the on ESN wherever they are. All the unknown gunmen. Say they are out. They are coming out for the unknown gunmen. Their outfits for us. But now we are ever ready. They don't know say we will go catch them. We caught them around 6 o'clock. We are on patrol. And we caught them. Moving. You can see this one on the uniform. You will see, not that we are not intimidating anybody. He is our brother. So, assuming but any fish will come on board on a fish. So now they see him. This is Ebubeagu. From Isago. Then come. And this one. Why on not bring this one uniform? We're not supposed to wear this one down in uniform. Okay, then came. You forget after you receive your punishment. So, you can see it. These are the Ebubeagu. We caught them with their bike. Everything about them, we have all their details on their phone. Their message the government sent to them on how to attack us. You can see it. We are doing a nice job. We are not harming innocent people. These are the ones on the government in Asia. Habira for spy, ESN they are for special duty. We saw their messages, their write-up. And now we're supposed to play that message so that they go see them. Make we put them for phone for this thing. So you can see it. Boys are trying, Boys are trying. Calm down. Boys are trying. Well, let me show them the thing so that they will see what they are planning against us. Okay. Please help us and see this. Yeah. Okay.